Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make grapefruit and lychee fizz. It's really easy drink, so let's not waste more time and start with it. We take our shaker and into our shaker we're gonna add 30 ml or 1 ounce of vodka. Then we're going to proceed with the same amount of 30 ml or 1 ounce of red grapefruit juice or pink grapefruit juice. Then the recipe calls for 30 ml or 1 ounce of lychee syrup from a canned fruit. Okay. And we're gonna add also 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're gonna add some ice to our shaker. And we're gonna shake. Okay. We're gonna strain to a flute. And we're going to top it up with 2 to 3 ounces of sparkling wine. And that is how we make the grapefruit lychee fizz. Let's give it a taste. It's an interesting drink. It's not sweet at all. I'm not sure how sweet the lychee syrup from the can is. However, you notice the grapefruit notes. The first thing actually that I notice is the grapefruit notes, and then the herbal notes from the clove and other spices from the Angostura bitters. It's really light and refreshing. It's not too overwhelming, the flavor. Or overpowering, I should say. It's maybe better said. And however, maybe for some of you it will be slightly on the dry side, so feel free, if your lychee syrup is not sweet enough, you can add maybe 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup to the mix in order to balance it to fit better your taste. Anyhow, I really recommend it. I think it's a great and refreshing drink for this summer, perfect for any brunch or just the gatherings when you are not sure what you want to drink or drink at all. Thank you once more for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.